Probiotics. Now, probiotics are simply live organisms that have significant health benefits. And I'm sure a lot of you out there are familiar with some of the other applications of probiotics, like digestive health, which there are a lot of commercials on TV nowadays about. But we're going to be talking specifically about probiotics in dentistry. And from what we understand about how bacterial communities in the mouth cause disease like gum disease or cavities, we know that there are in fact several strains of bacteria, and actually more than several, that are very, very healthy bacteria and important for oral health. So essentially what we'd like to do is to make choices in our diet and in our daily routines to enhance the growth of these good bacteria. And this is where probiotics come in. So probiotics are helpful in two major ways. They have two major methods of action, so to speak. Number one, they modify proteins in the mouth and affect bacterial byproducts to keep the bad bacteria from flourishing, and also they will enhance the growth of very healthy bacteria. And secondly, they have the potential to colonize areas of the mouth and produce a longer lasting benefit. So what this means is that probiotics can produce various different oral health benefits, anything from improving bad breath to fighting cavities. Now, you can go online and purchase some different probiotic powders. Actually, TheraBreath, I think, offers one particular strain of probiotic. You can add these powders to your cereal in the morning, or just rub them around on your teeth. They also sell mints. But one really great source of probiotics is in fact yogurt, and specifically yogurts with live cultures like Activia. And not only do these yogurts have calcium and milk proteins, which will help strengthen your teeth, but they have the live cultures and the probiotics that will produce these additional oral health benefits.